Hello Winnipeg, welcome to Bannock Family Carpet Cleaning. Today we are answering another one of our frequently asked questions. What are the benefits of professional carpet cleaning? Here at Bannock Family Carpet Cleaning, we specialize in effectively removing dirt, stains, and allergens, ensuring your carpets look and feel fresh. Why choose professional carpet cleaning by Bannock Family Carpet Cleaning? Because it's not just about cleaning, it's about restoring your home's health and extending the life of your carpets. Using advanced techniques like steam cleaning and eco-friendly solutions, we delve deep into the fibers of your carpets, removing more than just surface stains. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to get a heads up when we launch new videos. Stay up to date with all our expert cleaning tips and tricks. Continuing on, regular professional cleaning can significantly reduce allergens and bacteria, improving the air quality of your home and making it a safer environment for children and pets. Join our growing list of customers in Winnipeg who enjoy cleaner, fresher homes thanks to our expert carpet cleaning services. Ready to transform your space? Visit our website at bannockcarpetcleaning.ca or call us today at 204-509-9704 to schedule your professional carpet cleaning service with Bannock Family Carpet Cleaning. Enjoy clean carpets and a healthier home. Call us now to book your cleaning today.